Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on Robinhood. First, ensure you have options trading enabled on your account. You'll need to apply through the app and get approved, which usually takes a short time. Also, make sure your Robinhood account is funded. You can link a bank account and transfer funds easily. Having capital ready is crucial before you start exploring options contracts. Let's get started. Once approved and funded, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock you're interested in. For example, type in Apple or Tesla. On the stock's detail page, scroll down to find the Trade Options button. Tap this to view the options chain. Here, you'll see various expiration dates. Choose one that fits your outlook, whether it's a week or several months out. Now you'll see a list of call and put options. Calls are on one side, puts on the other. Select whether you want to buy a call betting the stock goes up or a put betting it goes down. Then pick your desired strike price. This is the price at which the option can be exercised. Finally, enter the number of contracts you want to buy. Remember, one contract usually represents 100 shares. Before you hit that final button, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the stock, expiration date, strike price, whether it's a call or put, and the number of contracts. Robinhood will show you the total cost and potential profit or loss. Make sure you're comfortable with these figures. Once you're confident, tap Review Order and then submit to place your trade. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.